everyone. We have already discussed about the what is mean by project, what is the life cycle of the project, what are the project performance dimensions. We have known about the project, that is project, it is a temporary in nature and it's having uniqueness in the nature. So this project, which we known as it having a desired or definite time to start and definite time to end. So in this lecture we are going to study, or we are going to discuss about the project selection criteria. So in this project selection, how to select the project, what are the steps to be applied, and how we can select a typical type of project among a different ideas we have collected from the number of sources. So in this, the project selection, start kara. So we are going to study about the project selection. In this project selection, first we are going to identify or identification of the project. Identification. Second thing, we have to perform the appraisal. And third one, we are going to select the project, or it is nothing but the selection of the project or project selection. So in this, we are going to discuss about the identification of the project or project identification. So for the selection of project, we have known that we are having a definite objectives. So the main aim of our project is to fulfill the different type of objective we have fixed, and at the end of the project we have conclude that whether these objectives have been fulfilled or satisfied the customer, or it is having to be fulfilled our fixed objective of the project. After that we can conclude that this project is completed or it's having to be closer. So when we have selected this objective, we are going for a different types of analysis will be there. So in this we are having two types of analysis. First one is a internal analysis and second one is a external analysis. So in internal analysis, we have to analyze ourselves. It means we have to analyze what are the strengths of me or strengths of the organization, and what are the weaknesses of the organization. So in this internal analysis, we have to going for the strengths and weaknesses of this objective. And in the external analysis, we are going for the opportunities and threats. We can also know this is as a SWOT analysis. So we have to perform the SWOT analysis to select or to identify a project for a particular type of objective. After that, among these, we have to go on for a alternative solutions or alternative objective for a project. When we are going for this project selection, we have fixed this objective, we are gone for SWOT analysis, and after that we are going to choose the alternatives for the project. So after that, what are the ideas we are coming from? What are the ideas we are coming from? These ideas were coming from a different type of sources. First one is in the sources of these ideas. First one is a marketing and sales department. Why this is important as considered as this source of ideas? Because the marketing or sales personals, these are in the direct contact with the customers and they well known about the customer needs and their requirements. They every day they are meeting 1,000 or number of peoples every day, and they are well known to get the ideas which are coming from this requirement or needs of these customers. So this will be important, which is considered as a source of ideas which is coming from this type of marketing and sales department. After that, next department is a research and develop department. So this R&D department is also important to be considered as the source of ideas, where this research and development department is also attached with this marketing and sales department. They are developing a new products or new processes to prepare a new ideas or new product or new services which fulfill the needs and demands by the customer. So this is also considered as an important source of ideas. Next one is a top management. The higher management also knows about the needs or what the organization is going for and what are the new processes will be developed in the organization. That's why this top management is also considered as the source of new ideas. Next one is the production department. This production department is also linked with this marketing and sales department. They are getting a needs and requirements of the customer. After getting this production department is also going to be produce a new type of product or services. They are implementing a new processes. So this is also become the source of new ideas. And last but not least, it is a very important source that is considered as a consumer. This is the main source of our ideas, which is going to be considered. This consumer, which is having a different taste, different likes and different dislikes, which is to be considered as by the organization, and after considering their requirement, needs, dislikes, likes, we are going to produce a number of product or services which is to fulfill the needs or requirements of the consumer. So these are the sources of new ideas which is to be coming from these type of departments or these type of personals. So among this we have understood about the project having a fixed objective we have to fulfill or we have to satisfy the objective at the end of the project. For this end of the project we are going for a SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. After that we are going for the idea generation. We have known the first phase of the life cycle, project life cycle is that idea generation, which is means we have to create an idea, we have to collect the data regarding the every idea which is collected from a different type of sources. So among these we have known, we have studied what are the sources of this idea generation. We have known that the different type of sources, which is mean marketing and sales department, R&D department, top management, consumers and etc. So after this we are going to discuss about what are the motivational factors which are going to develop this project, or which is a motivational factors which are provides the idea generation or creation of the project. So among these motivational factor, first one is an individual or family objective. So every individual have its own ideas or own objective which is to be fulfilled by any other organization or any other product or services. When we are going to purchase some packet of biscuits in a market, we have already discussed that I have to buy this type of biscuit. I have to buy a Parle-G biscuit. I have to buy a Crackjack biscuit or any other type of biscuits. Okay. So we are going for a shop and we have told to the shopkeeper that please give me a Parle-G biscuit, and he is give a Parle-G biscuit to you. So this means we can conclude from this that this project is already fixed in your mind. You have fixed your objective. I have to buy this type of project. I want a sweet, I want a sour type of biscuit. And after that you have selected among the different types of brands available in the market. We have chosen a Parle-G biscuit. So this means that we have created idea, we have selected, we are going for appraisal in your mind, and after getting these we have selected a particular object to particular type of biscuits. So in this motivational factor, the first which is coming from the individual or family. Every family it having a fixed objective which are the motivational factor to the project. Any organizational objective, suppose any organization wants to get a more revenue from a particular type of project, or having a fixed project which is accomplish a high revenue to the organization. So this objective is also considered as a motivational factor in the accomplishment of the project. Another one is a national or global objective. Our nations is also having to return a much more amount of benefits from a particular type of project. They are fixing a lots of schemes, or lots of having a different types of schemes were fixed to getting a high amount of return or high amount of benefits from this. In the case of financial, in the case of economical, in the case of ecological, every way it's having to be more returns from the particular type of projects.